Okay, look at the grasses. This is I guess you would call it a midwinter tour. And see my lamb's ear, looking good. Coneflowers. You see, we still got the seed heads on it. And my daffodils started coming up. And I gotta come out here. I'm gonna cut off my hydrangea blossoms in a few minutes. Get all them off. They blow everywhere. Let's go in my cutting garden. Let's see what's going on over there. But before that, let's look over here. I have hostas, hydrangeas, and irises, which I don't see, but they're under the leaves. I left my leaves down for mulch because I don't have any mulch. Look at the rose hips on this New Dawn rose. And this is a sort of my holding. I have irises, coneflowers, lilies, and I can see there's we look over here, there's some irises coming up. Those look like the tall bearded irises. Can y'all see them? Let's get closer. Yeah, they're coming up. So now I know where they are. I know one for sure is yellow that did get up. And over here is my roses, which are already starting to get blooms on it. I was bad. I didn't cut anything off of them. I need to come back and do that. And these are those sun drops that I said were crazy. Throw that over there. And over in this bed, I have my gladiolas. And over here are my peonies, which are just sticks right now. But this is the late winter garden. Let's see what's going over by the fence. I had some hostas over there. My bushes, they'll bloom back out. They don't get as thick as I want. But over here I have hostas. I left one stick there, so I'll know where it is. I gotta cut down that vine. That's crazy. So it don't look like much or nothing, but if you follow me, you'll see how it will look. Let's take a look from this angle of my garden, my cutting garden, and you can see that's how it looks right now. But it'll be changing in the next 6 weeks or so. So I'm gonna come over here. You see all of my hydrangeas. I'm gonna cut the blossoms off in a second here. Since it's warm, I want to make sure I take advantage of it. But I'm going to cut across this way. And I can't keep up with all this weeds and stuff, y'all. It's too much. But you see, my daffodils are coming up. And look, these already have blossoms on it, so I expect them to bloom in a couple. They might pop open soon. And then even these azaleas got blooms on it, but you know what's going to happen is it's supposed to get cold again, so they'll get frozen. So The warm weather fooled them again. And I got all these sticks. And we got to get these pine needles. Look at all these pine cones. If you guys want any pine cones, hit me up in the comments and send me an email, and I will gather them up and send you some. You use them for crafts or whatever. But I got an unlimited supply here. So we're going to go down to the back, let you see what's going on back there. Okay. We're back in the backyard. Everything is barren except for the evergreens. And I've got to, maybe I do some of that, pull up these old things from irises, and look, that looks dried up, but it'll come back and it has pretty pink flowers on it. Now this iris still has some seed pods on it, so hit me up, hit me. If you want some of them seeds, I'll try to collect those. I believe they are either purple or white Siberian irises. And so let's go down here. You're not going to see much, but I'll still show it to you. There's some more pine cones, guys. There's some more pine cones if y'all can see them. But this bed has day lilies and coneflowers in it. And they'll be out before you know it. We got to clean out that bird bed. But that's where our bluebirds nest. And so yeah. And then the evergreens. But this is the view where, if you watch my last winter one, I showed it with the snow. And oh my God, I just realized over here I've got some hydrangeas. We didn't pull these out. We pulled all the other flowers out because we couldn't keep up. It was too many weeds to deal with. But anyway, look at all these blossoms I got to cut off. But I got me a new pair of succulents, or as some people call them, pruners, that I'm going to be using because I got tired of dealing with them ones I had that weren't sharp. But anyway, over here, some more hydrangeas and azaleas, and this is my can't remember of it name of the plant right now, but I'll find out. It's still green, so I'm hoping it'll get some blossoms on it soon. I was trying to spread it, but look what kind of soil I'm dealing with. But that's what I got, so hopefully the leaves will help. Anyway, this is the garden in the midwinter, and I'll be back to show you more as it progresses in a couple weeks, because it changes so quick, and before you know it, we'll have some flowers. So hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the next one.